Finally stopped raining long enough where I could finally work on this. I got everything all leveled up and squared up. Got all the nuts and bolts all tightened down. My back is hurting. I'm pooped. It's getting a little late in the day. You can see I brought my my laser level down so I could get it all lined up. Got my 4-foot level here so I could get help with that too. But as you can see, I leveled it so that it slightly runs downhill. That way it isn't as much work to push it through the log. Nice and straight. Alright guys, I'll be back to work tomorrow, so I don't know when I'll be able to get back down here and start assembling the head part of it. Still got that covered up. I'm going to leave it covered up because it rained pretty good today, and it said rain is in the forecast for the next couple days. We shall see. Alright guys, hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for more videos on the sawmill. In case you're wondering, it is 19.5 feet, almost 20 foot to the end of the tracks there. Alright guys, take care. We'll see you on the next one.